Like the scenic beauty of Kashmir, Kashmiri handicrafts are also famous all over the world. The Trade Development Authority of Pakistan organized a two-day exhibition of the Kashmiri handicrafts in Muzaffarabad to identify the entrepreneurs and artisans in the handicraft sector. It is also to develop their capacities in product promotion.
The idea behind organizing this event was to firstly to make a profile of what the Kashmiri handicrafts are, who are the people behind them, who is making them, what are their capacities. Another idea was to then enhance their capacity by giving them some briefing about product development, marketing, and after this, we are planning to organize an exhibition in Karachi where we'll send some selected parties to Karachi to participate in that big event from where all over Pakistan, people in handicrafts industry would be participating.
The artisans and craftsmen from different non-governmental organizations and government and private sectors showcased their products at the exhibition. Craftsmen believe that such exhibitions can help them in introducing their products in the local and foreign markets.
ये जो फ़ायदा हुआ है मकामी तौर पर छोटी एनजीओज़ को और ये दीगर जो छोटे अदारे हैं सनती अदारे उनको ये फ़ायदा हुआ कि उन्होंने अपने प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट तक लाने में थोड़ा अप्रोच मिला है।
इसके लिए इसका तो हर वक्त हर क्राफ्ट जो भी है मिडल मैन फ़ायदा खाता है हर वक्त, लेकिन इसको ऐसा तरीका हो, ये जो एग्जीबिशन इसका मिडल मैन को तोड़ यही है कि एग्जीबिशन हो, डायरेक्ट कस्टमर हो, कारीगर खुद सेल करे तो उसको भी 4 पैसे कारीगर को मिल जाते हैं।
Kashmiri handicrafts are famous across the world due to their creative and sophisticated designs. Such exhibitions can help local artisans and entrepreneurs attract international attention and make this industry flourish. The exhibition proved to be a treat for the people of Muzaffarabad as well. They had been waiting for such an event for quite some time.
That is one of the best handicraft exhibition over here. That is very first time in Muzaffarabad, and I myself am enjoying a lot, and I have a lot of friends over here. We are chatting, gossiping, and still we're just testing the things. That is one of the best moment.
People, they just, in Muzaffarabad especially, they have no opportunities to go outside to just have some fun and that sort of activities. It's really a deficiency here in Muzaffarabad especially. So that sort of exhibition should be organized off and on.
Kashmir can become a thriving tourism and handicraft industry once again, only if the Azad Kashmir government takes genuine interest and recognizes the true potential of the creative people. Samara Pastor on News, Muzaffarabad, Azad Kashmir.